Hardly anyone has ever seen this tool. This is a novelty by Festool. Frank Jaksch is standing next to me. Thank you for taking your time and for showing us the new dip saw TS55R. What is special about this dip saw? Well, it's from Festool. It's a top quality tool. It's made a bit rounder now, so the lid is now very, very flat. Yeah, it doesn't have a little stomach like I do, but it's very, very flat, so that you can get really close to the edge. I've got a little display here so that you can see. This is laminate, and where I can cut an edge here. I'm going to show you how it works here. Of course, I have to hook it up to the suction system. While you're doing that, I'll just prepare. But you don't really need the glasses, actually. But Rike, if you want to, yes, okay. So I've already set the depth that I need, so I can go right up to the wood. So 12 millimeter from the beginning. And look, here it's a lovely little cut here, and it can all be done with a saw. But now I can see lots of green buttons. I'm sure they're not just decorative, don't want just a little bit of colour. I think they do have a reason. But look, even your glasses have a green strip. Yes, you're right, yes. Yes, you're right. These green buttons, of course, have a function. I'm going to show you now why we have this here, this depth measurement system. Let's have a look at the first one, the one with FS. What does that stand for? FS means it's a leading guide, so it's very comfortable for me to set the depth of the cut. If I work with this guide, I go onto this scale here. If I am not going to use it, then I use the other scale. There's a wheel here that I can use to adjust it very, very precisely. So I can readjust. So very, very precise work is possible with this. At the front here, we can move the saw 0 to 45 degrees, and there's an additional function -1 to 47 degrees. It can be moved. So 47 degrees, I would like to show you the setting with 47 degrees now. So we loosen the screw here. And so I can move the whole unit. So it's 47 degrees that you can see on the scale. As soon as I pull the green button here, the saw automatically goes to 47 degrees. And if we go back, you can hear it click. That's 45 degrees. If I pull, 47. And it's as easy as that, so the tradesman can work very, very quickly in the different positions. We're going to fix it now again. And now we can saw. Yes, sawing. Is that what we're going to do now? Yes, we could saw now. Okay. And the result is I can feel it, and I'm sure you can see it. It's without any tears. It's very, very precise. And now we've been cutting wood, and now we're going to put it together again. That does make sense. What is this, Frank? It is a frame for a door. This kind of frame normally has to be taken to a stationary machine. These are Domino dowels. They used to be round dowels, and in the past you had to take it to the stationary machines. It's quite an effort involved to transport this material, but with the Domino system, the Domino XL machine here, we can work on these large dowels as well. These little Domino dowels, most people know them. We've had them for quite a while now, but now we have the large Domino dowels, and to work on these with the large Domino XL machine. That's probably the reason why we have this wood here. What are we going to do with it? Yes, we are going to use this wood and are going to make a frame using the Domino XL machine. Before we start cutting here, we've got to adjust the system. Using this part here, I can find the precise position. I press this green button here. And regardless of which button I use, I can push whichever one I would like. And that's the one I would then work with. Of course, I need this bit folded out as well to fix it in the right position. So now let's make a hole. Right. So we've got the 4 holes put in now, and I'm sure we need these dowels now. Yes, but we have a couple of wood cuttings in here. Got to tip them out, and now we can put the Domino dowels in. May I? Yes, of course. It doesn't fit. Oh, yes, that's the way it's supposed to be. And just hammer them in. It fits. Yeah, super. It's a perfect result, Frank. Yes, exactly. It looks good. We have sawn a lot and put a lot together with you. These were the novelties by the company Festool.